Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my place. Seychelle Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. How have you been? Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Seychelles Running. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking of like doing just 2 to 4 minutes of reading. That's it. I don't know if it exceeds it's supposed to be, but I'm going to try. Let's try making it, right? So yes. So there's going to be, I'm going to use this deck here. Thanks for love, donation, subscribe and everything. Okay, I don't remember the name. Okay, sorry. You have the bottom energy and I kind of feel like there's going to be wave in your garden. Like whatever the garden is, the grass is, whatever, where maybe you are just visiting nearby place and there is something connected with grass which is laid. It does grow and it is just giving me that vibe of like wave. So with the wave you're going to feel at ease, you're going to feel like something is happening, like something is about to grow, like something is mysterious. So your bottom energy, and I feel like this is the heavy energy for you, there's going to be fulfillment, there is growth, there are pomegranates, the seeds all over, and things are going to grow in your life. Sudden changes at your place in your life as an individual, love wise, because there's also wine, there's growth, grapes, pomegranates, everything is so beautiful here. Just look at this card. Fulfillment is, I feel like this one card is enough. I feel like people are taking energy into consideration while doing some stuff, celebrating something here. Wave in your pathway or grass is giving me that energy of like something is moving. Okay, now don't get that what is moving. This movement is all about inside of your heart, like it's growing, it's healed, it's done. Many of you are healed, you are fulfilling your dreams here. Fulfillment is also something that you might achieve, you might succeed in something here, which is good. So this may be even, it is representing a lot of love for your work, love for the person's love towards you. There is oath coming. You people are deciding on something, you're taking oath for something. This may be professional, this may be something connected with oath of love. This may be this male vibe entering in your life. You haven't seen this person totally or in that light, but you know. Some of you know, some of you don't know. So there's going to be someone who's going to say like, I love you. Or this may be something with whole heart, I love you. This is also from both the sides. So there's going to be fulfilling love in your life. These cards are so gorgeous. Wow. Fulfilling love, fulfilling like connected energy, awesome. And you know what, maybe this person does have, we are specifically talking about this male vibe, they may have tattoos, they may have, okay, and they are just not having any tattoos like just random, they'll have deep meanings of those tattoos, which is again in the spiritual form does work wonders. Okay, this is about people who are going on dates, talking. This is also passionate time. I feel shy. I feel shy while giving such messages. Yes, I am. But this is like, I can't say in open, like I cannot use words. You know, I mean, yes, I am modern, but I'm also old school kind of in some cases. So I become shy while taking those words. But this is love, you know. All I use is a love making, yeah, with the one you love, okay, or someone who is coming to give you that I'm going to love you because I love you to the core. Okay, so let's see your future. Okay, this is obedience, right, being right or righteous. This may represent possible Libra, not necessarily. I'm not going to give you signs though, but this is giving me that vibe. However, it's not necessary. This is obedience, is telling me that you people are going to be obedient in love. Means I feel like loyal. It's not like yes, yes, no. It is like yes. Like I feel like love that's going to be obedient. The one who is going to love you, male or female, vibe here, whoever this represents you, is going to be, I love you. Kind of. I love you. Yes, sure. This is about being loyal and being respectful, that kind of obedience. and no longer, you know, lingering on with something or going out of the way. This is coming in your future. Obedience is coming, and there is this bottom energy as belonging, house of night. So love, that represents your house. It's warm and beautiful. Okay, so take care guys. I love you. See you soon.